Hello friends, today we have a special recipe pineapple pie that will win you over with its juiciness and exotic taste. This dessert not only pleases the eye with its bright appearance, but also amazes with its unforgettable taste. Get ready to surprise your loved ones with a true tropical feast. This cake can be offered instead of a cake for a festive table. It is not only light and delicious, but also beautiful. Save this recipe and enjoy cooking. Let's get cooking and create this culinary masterpiece together. Ingredients: 2 eggs, sour cream 120 grams, flour 200 grams, yeast 1 teaspoon, canned pineapple 1 can 400 grams, sugar 260 grams, butter 180 grams. In a mixing bowl, combine 120 grams of butter and 200 grams of sugar. Beat everything with a mixer until the mass is not homogeneous. I have a stationary, but you can in manual or whisk, then a little work. Add the eggs and sour cream to the butter and sugar. Continue to beat. Add the sifted flour and baking powder to the liquid mixture. Beat on low speed until all ingredients are combined. You don't need to stir for long, so let's set the batter aside for now and make the caramel. Melt 60 grams of butter in a saucepan. Add 60 grams of sugar. Place on low heat. Cook until the sugar is dissolved. Prepare the baking pan. I cut a circle on the bottom of the baking paper and put it around the sides to make it easier to remove the cake from the pan. Cut the pineapple rings in half. Pour the creamy caramel into the baking dish. Arrange the pineapples in a fan and place the prepared dough on top. Flatten with a spatula and place in the oven preheated to 180 degrees. Bake for 40 to 50 minutes. Mode top-bottom. Depending on your oven, mine baked for 50 minutes. Until golden. See how the cake turned out. I release from the pan, remove from the sides, and leave to cool. After cooling, I transferred it to a rack and removed the bottom of the pan and the paper and let it cool completely. When completely cooled, I transferred the pie to a dish. It came out very moist and flavorful. The taste is delicious. Thank you for making this delicious pineapple cake with me. I hope you enjoyed the recipe and enjoy this tropical dessert with your loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give likes, and share this video with your friends. Your comments and feedback are very important to me. Tell me how you liked the cake and what you would like to see in the next episodes. Click the bell so you don't miss any of my new recipes and cooking tips. See you again and enjoy.